Hi there, it's Caitlin with My Sidewalk. I'm going to walk you through how to find information about substance use disorder and treatment using our new AI data assistant, Sidekick. Let's say that I work for a local health department in Fayetteville, Arkansas, and I have an upcoming conversation with some local partners that are involved in substance use disorder and treatment. I want to prepare myself for this conversation, so I'll come to Sidekick and ask for some information. First, I'll ask Sidekick to give me a brief overview of the topic, and then I'll decide what to dig deeper into. Can it tell me about substance use disorder in Fayetteville, Arkansas? And it looks like it can. Something that I'm particularly interested in because it's shown to be very effective is medications for opioid use disorder, and I see here that methadone has 0 facilities that offer it. But I'm wondering what else Sidekick can notice, so I ask it where gaps in substance use treatment in Fayetteville exist. Based off of the data it's already given me, it finds gaps in residential and transitional care, methadone treatment availability, as well as the number of certified opioid treatment programs. But treatment is only one part of the equation. I also want to fill in some information about outcomes. Sidekick responds by letting me know outcome data isn't available for the city, but it tells me if I look at a different geography, I may still be able to find the data I'm interested in. So I'll ask it what geographic granularities I can find substance use outcome data at. And I'll re-ask my question using the county level. Here it gives me some information, but I need to contextualize this. I don't know if this is high or low for the area, and so I'm going to ask it to compare it to the state of Arkansas. I can see that Washington County, where Fayetteville is located, has a lower death rate across the board. Now, I know that Fayetteville doesn't have any treatment facilities that offer methadone. I wonder if the rest of the county or surrounding areas are able to fill that gap. So I'll ask Sidekick to make a map. Can it show me substance use treatment facilities that offer methadone by county? Sidekick tells me it can't make a map. But I know because I've looked at the help documentation that maps are within Sidekick's capabilities. Asking Sidekick to try again when you're not sure of the answer is a helpful way to make sure that you get the most accurate response. Here, we see that our second attempt at making a map of substance use treatment facilities that offer methadone by county is successful. Now I can see that while Fayetteville itself doesn't have a facility that offers methadone, Washington County does. And given it's the only county in the surrounding area that has that option, treatment need may outpace the facility's capacity. Let's see if I can assess whether the surrounding area may have a high degree of need for treatment, using some of the outcome data that I looked at above. I'll ask Sidekick to give me a map of drug overdose death rate in Arkansas by county. And here I can see that while Washington County has a fairly low drug overdose death rate compared to the rest of the state, surrounding areas have some of the highest rates. At this point, I feel like I have enough information to spark a conversation with my partner organizations. From here, I'd work with them to better understand whether treatment need is outpacing availability and where our community members see the greatest need for harm reduction and other interventions. This is one example of how to use Sidekick in your work. And with its knowledge of the My Sidewalk data library and its question answering, visualization, and storytelling capabilities, there are infinite possibilities to make change in your community. Visit mysidewalk.com/sidekick. There, you can join our waitlist and learn more about My Sidewalk's Sidekick.